Hey everyone, this is Mark here again to introduce you to Lesson 5. Lesson 5 is be going to. I'm sure you've heard this a lot when you've had conversations with English speakers. I'm going to do this weekend. I'm going to meet my friend. I'm going to go to Thailand in July. Something like that. That's how we use be going to. But of course, first I want to make sure we have the pattern down, how to use this grammar. And it's pretty simple, pretty simple. If we go through, we have the am, is, and are, right? I am going to, he is going to, you are going to. If we change to no, we're going to say, we aren't going to, I'm not going to, right? He isn't going to. So it's the am is are, plus going to for this basic pattern. I have here on the board the I'm going to buy a new car, he's going to visit his parents, we aren't going to travel, and my friends aren't going to come to the party. So those are 4 good examples of positive and negative of the be going to. And then here's my 2 examples of the questions of be going to. If I say, what are you going to do this weekend? What are you going to do this weekend? Or are you going to eat that? Are you going to eat that? Are you going to? Right? What are you going to? So that first one has a question word. I can use the question word. What are you going to do? Where are you going to go? When are you going to leave? I can use that question word, or the are you going to I use for a yes, no question. Are you going to be busy this weekend? Are you going to be busy this weekend? I want to think about your life, your plan for this weekend. Are you going to be busy? And you can say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. That's the short answer for be going to. So again, why do I use this be going to? And why do native speakers use be going to so often? Well, there's 2 reasons to use this grammar. First one, like I mentioned, is a plan, or we use the word intention, which is something we've already decided to do. We're not deciding now. We've already decided to do it, and that's why we call it an intention or a plan in English. Second reason is for something called a prediction. A prediction is a guess at the future. What is going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month? We're predicting, we're guessing the future. And this one, the be going to guess, is for a guess we have that has evidence. It's not just my feeling. I have reasons for why I think this is something that is true. All right, so now let's see, we're going to talk about the plans. So let's first look at the conversation that my father is having with a waiter. So here's the waiter. He says, all right, are you guys ready to order? Father, yes we are. What can I get for you? I'll have the spaghetti and my wife will have the pepperoni pizza. Oh, and we'll also have a bottle of red wine, thanks. Oh, no worries. And then a little later, the food will arrive. Okay? Then here's the mother. Not the mother, here's the son. He's going to talk to the mother. Son says, sorry I'm late. Have you both already ordered? Yes, we have. I'm going to have the pizza, and your father is going to have the spaghetti. What do you want to eat? Well, you know, I'm trying to watch my weight, so I will just have the chicken salad. Just have a chicken salad. So look at the blue and the green. Why do I switch between using will and using be going to? You might remember from my lesson about the word will, last lesson. Do you remember why we use the will? Is it for a plan? Right. The will is not for a plan. The will is for a decision happening right now. It's not an intention. It's not a plan. It's something I haven't decided until I'm speaking. I'm thinking right now, I'm deciding right now. So that's why we used the will for when we're ordering food on a menu. I don't know what to order. I open the menu and I choose right now. For that situation, we use the will. Now look at the be going to. Why did the mother use be going to? Use the I am going to. Your father is going to. Why did the mother use that English instead of will for her discussion with the son? When mother talks to the son, has she already decided what to get? Has the decision been made in the past? If it has, then we can use our plan grammar, our be going to. Mother has already decided that she's going to have a pizza. Father has already decided that he's going to have spaghetti. So it's a decision from before. That is our be going to. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, for a couple other examples of our plans, take a look here. I can tell you guys, I am going to visit Thailand next year. I'm going to visit Thailand next year. That is my plan. This year, if you guys are also like me in a country where it's difficult to travel now in 2021, if that's the case, if we say I'm going to visit Thailand next year, again, that's my plan. I think it's going to happen, but the details are not confirmed. I haven't bought a ticket. I don't know which days. I don't know which hotel. I don't know who's going with me. It's only a plan that is slowly coming into or being created. A plan that's being created right now, but all the details have not been sorted out yet. So that's okay. Also, we can use it for a situation like this, where I say, I have a problem. I have a problem. Oh no, what are you going to do? What are you going to do, right? So this is a way I ask about your plans to solve a problem. We have a big problem. Oh no, what are you going to do? What are your plans? What actions will you take to solve this problem? That's another example. And then one more. Again, here they're going to show us an example of going to versus will. Again, we use going to, not will, to talk about those future plans. So what is he going to do this weekend? What is he going to do this weekend? Again, for that plan question, I have to use be going to, not the what will he do. He's going to stay home. He's going to go shopping. My answer for my plans also always use that be going to for my basic plan. So let's see. I think we have one more situation, right, where we can use the be going to. And this is for my predictions with evidence. First example, I have my Premier League game. Look at this one, right? Premier League. This is a football team. So this is not the American football team. This is a British football team. So you can see Fulham have 0 and Burnley have 2 points. So I want you to think, based on this score, what is going to happen? Do you think Fulham is going to win? Or do you think that Burnley is going to win? Well, in my opinion, if I look at the Burnley score of 2 versus Fulham's score of 0, I think Burnley's going to win. I can see the evidence. I think Burnley's going to win, okay? Also, we could guess, we're like, is it going to rain? What evidence would I need for this left side? I didn't put a picture, but for the left side, if it's going to rain, how do I know it's going to rain? It's actually raining today. And I knew this morning that it was going to rain today because I looked at the sky. I looked at the sky, I saw gray clouds. I saw black clouds in the sky. So I see the clouds and I think to myself, whew, yeah, it's definitely going to rain. That's my prediction, and it's a strong prediction using evidence. Okay? Next part, let me see. I have this man. Oh no, what's going to happen to this man? I look at the picture. He's carrying so many boxes. And where's he walking? Oh, wow, this is a very dangerous situation. He is going to fall. He's definitely going to fall. So there's all my evidence. Everything I can see, that's my evidence. So make sure you can see evidence if you want to use the be going to in this style. It's very often also, or it's very common also, to use I think and I don't think with our be going to prediction. So look at this one. I think, I don't think. I think it's going to snow. Again, maybe it's December. Maybe I see the clouds in the sky. I see the clouds, very cold. The weatherman told me, oh yeah, I think it's going to snow. Or we can use the I don't think it's going to. I don't think it's going to snow. Actually, I live in a very warm country. It never snows. So even if someone told me, yeah, I think it's going to snow, I'm like, I don't agree with you. I don't think it's going to snow. Look at all of this evidence. It has never snowed in December in my country. It's never snowed. I don't think it's going to snow. I have my evidence. And be very careful if you use the I think, I don't think. We don't use the isn't. We don't use the negative going to. It's always I think it's going to. I don't think it's going to. We change the beginning of the phrase. We don't change the am, is, are, going to negative for that pattern. So again, keep that in mind. Final challenge, guys. Oh, there's my rain. Forgot about my rain. So here, let's see. Your turn. I want you guys to think about your plans that you have or that your friends have for this week or this year. I'm going to, or my friend is going to, Take a second, 10 seconds. Okay, do you have it? So, for example, I can say, I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to cook dinner for my wife on Saturday. I'm going to watch a movie next week with my best friend from work. All of those are my plans. And my friend's plans, my friend is going to go swimming in the afternoon. My friend is going to play tennis tomorrow. My friend is going to cook dinner for my wife and I. What a good friend, right? That's my plans. And now, one more time, guys, you think about your future prediction. 10 more seconds. All right. So for me, what can I think about as a prediction about the future? This one I'll do far future because I used a person. I'm going to be very happy when I'm an old man. I'm going to be very happy when I'm an old man. What evidence do I have for that? I'm going to be very happy when I'm an old man. Well, I have a wife that I think is amazing, and I also just have very positive feelings about the future. So if I think, okay, my wife, my job, the country I live in, all of these things make me have the evidence to guess, I'm going to have a good life when I am old. That's my guess, my strong evidenced guess about the future. Or my friend, I can also think about my friend's future. My friend is going to retire in America. I have a friend who lives here in my country, in Singapore with me, and I don't think he's going to stay here in Singapore. I think he's going to move to America when he's retired. So that's my prediction about his future. I think he's going to live in Singapore only for a short time. I think he's going to move to America in the future. So those are our two examples, guys. I hope you were able to think of your own examples. And now what we're going to do, right? That's my plan for this course, is we're going to go over a couple more. We're going to make sure we know the present continuous. That's one more grammar coming up next. And then we'll do a nice review where you can see will, be going to, present continuous all together in one video to give you a summary. But hope this helped, guys. I'll catch you in the next video.